Ah, work. It's that one thing we have to do so that we can travel, but it kind of gets in the way of travel, but we have to do it so we can afford to travel. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be going over a capsule wardrobe that I pull together a lot when I'm traveling for work and show you just my thought process for how I pull it together and how I add some accent colors and the things that I rely on all the time that help me get through a work trip while I'm traveling. There are three things I think about when I start packing a capsule wardrobe. Number one is my itinerary. What am I going to be doing? What am I going to be needing? Number two is the weather. Is it going to be somewhere where it's going to be raining? Is it going to be cold? Or is it going to be sunny and warm and humid? And number three, what I'm wearing on the plane. That is the most important outfit you will pull together, because that is the outfit that will have to coordinate with everything you have in your capsule wardrobe and possibly be the thing that sustains you the most if they lose your luggage. What I wear on the plane for business travel is pretty different than what I wear on the plane if I'm doing something casual. That's because most of the time I'm getting off the plane and having to go straight into a meeting. So I will generally wear that as my plane outfit when I travel. But if I'm going on a longer haul flight, let's say over to Asia, which is like 16 hours or more, I'm going to want to be comfortable mostly, because I'm probably going to want to get some sleep on the plane. And then when I'm just about ready to get to my destination, then I will go and change and switch into the outfit I'm going to need to go into a meeting with. Since shoes take up a large part of your luggage when you're packing, we're going to start with that. And I need to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Vivaya. They have provided me with the shoes you're going to see in this video, and I chose these colors specifically because I use them for work and I wear them in these capsule wardrobes. I've been wearing Vivaya shoes for a little over a year now, and I love traveling with them because number one, they're comfortable. Number two, they're stylish. And number three, they pack really well. All right, all my work shoes are going to fit right into this backpack right here. As you can see, I have my comfortable Mary Janes for some casual days, as well as my beautiful pumps that I would wear for work. I love these, and some nice stretchy wedge boots, great for work or casual. So all of those fit right into this bag. Comfort is key for me when I'm traveling, especially for business. These shoes have a beautiful diamond pattern insole that's pressure relieving to help keep my feet comfortable. And also on these Mary Janes, you'll see that this insole is removable. So if you want to put something like an orthotic in, you can do that as well. I love having a heel when I travel. This gives me a little bit of height, and the chunky heel on this is going to be stable when I'm walking around. Something like this beautiful black and cream is just classic, and I always have it in my travel wardrobe. They recycle about 6 plastic bottles per pair of shoes, so that's really great for the environment. It also allows the material of these shoes to be comfortable. They have a little bit of stretch and give, so if my legs and feet swell during flight, I know I'm always going to be comfortable. And I love things like these boots where you have that nice stretchy top so that you can put them on easily and again, be comfortable. Vivaya is offering my viewers a special discount at 12% off, and you'll find a link in the video description as well as a discount code, so make sure you visit the site, and also remember you get free shipping on any of their shoes and 30 days to try them out. Number one thing you're going to want to do when you're traveling is probably wear your heaviest pair of shoes on the plane, but you want to make sure that they're comfortable and there's something that you might have to run around in, because if you are getting to your connection and it's late, you might be running to your gate. So this is why I always wear comfortable shoes when I fly, because there were 7 of us who had to run down here to catch our flight. We're boarding right now for our connector. Didn't think we were going to make it, but we did. Always wear comfortable shoes on your flight. And I mean, I've done this where I've run and literally shouted at someone, please don't close the gate. I'm right here. I'm right here. Please let me on the plane. So I want to make sure that what I'm wearing is the heaviest, but also the most comfortable for me. So I have a variety of shoes that I wear depending on what I'm going to be doing and if I'm going to be jumping into a meeting right away or I'm going to just be able to be comfortable on the plane. But I always bring a pair of sneakers or some sort of shoe that I can take out on a walkabout or walk comfortably in on the plane and wear those on the plane. For this selection of outfits that I'm going to show you here today, you'll see the color scheme is mostly black and cream and some camel colors, but I do have a little pop of color here or there. On most of my basics, like my pants and my jackets or sweaters or things that are bulkier, I keep those in the very black or neutral tones because they have to go with everything. If I'm going to add a pop of color, I'm going to do that with little things like tank tops and accessories, those type of things. That's where I'm going to add a little bit of pizzazz and color to my wardrobe. I'm going to apologize. I have been fighting this cold for about a week, and my voice may go in and out on this video, but it is definitely not the video. It is definitely my voice. I generally like to bring 2 collared shirts when I'm traveling, one nice silk blouse that I can wear to work and dress it up for the evening, and then something a little more casual that if I'm going out for a casual Friday or I'm going to be going over a weekend and I want something a little casual, that's what I'll bring. In this case, I have a nice silk shirt and a nice flannel shirt because I'm packing for winter weather, and these things will work well for me on the trip. The next things I like to pack are sweaters or sweater blazers. I used to pack a blazer all the time and it was just hard to pack it and get it to stay looking nice. But some of these new sweater blazers that are nice looking, you can wear them as a sweater or wear them as a blazer, are great things to have. They pack well, they're stretchy and comfortable, and that's more important for me these days when I'm doing work travel. Another thing I like to bring are things like this top I'm wearing. This is actually a V-neck cardigan, so I can wear it as a sweater just like this, or I can open it up and wear it as a cardigan. It's ribbed, it's stretchy, it's black, it's comfortable. It's a staple in my wardrobe. I bring this on almost every trip, but especially for a work trip because it's so versatile. Pants are one of those things that for a work trip can be a little tricky sometimes, and it depends on the season. But generally, I always bring a pair of jeans, just so if there's a casual Friday or I'm going to be over a weekend and I want to be able to do something on my own, I want to be able to have a pair of jeans on. Also, I like to bring a pair of pants that can be worn as something that's great for work all the way down to something that's casual, or I can dress them up with a pair of boots or a pair of heels, but I can also put on a pair of Mary Janes and feel like I have a nice casual outfit just to head out for lunch or do some sightseeing or for a casual dinner. On a work trip, I like to bring the little black dress, but it's not the little black dress in the sense that I would be wearing it necessarily out to dinner. I like this particular dress because it's a faux wrap, meaning I pull this on like a t-shirt and it looks like a wrap dress. It's beautifully fitted and it's comfortable because it's stretchy. I can wear it alone or I can wear it with a sweater or a jacket on top of it and dress it up. So I love a dress like this. I can wear it with flats, heels, or boots. It's something that's very versatile and something that I like to bring on all of my work trips. I know a lot of people don't wear stockings anymore, but I do. On a work trip, I like to be in some sort of stockings. And I like that, especially if I'm wearing a dress that's a little bit shorter. I just feel like I have a little bit more covered up on, on my lower part of my body. I like these because they go up to my thigh and not up to my waist. One of the things I hate was when you wear pantyhose and they are up at your waist and they start to roll down and they create that roll and then they like cinch in at your waist and you're just really uncomfortable. What I love about these thigh-high pantyhose is there's silicone in the edges and they keep them right on my thighs and I don't feel like I'm being strangulated by my pantyhose when I wear them. So these are what I wear when I'm traveling for work. Accessories are a great way for you to spice up your wardrobe. Now, I tend to keep my accessories pretty simple when I'm going on a work trip because I'm not out to be real flashy. I just want something that kind of looks nice. So I keep a lot of them in the neutrals of gold and black and white or cream. And that is something I can just mix and match throughout the trip. I will bring a nice larger pair of gold hoops, so if I'm going out to dinner, I have something nice to wear. And the one thing I do kind of bring and splurge on is an iWatch strap. I bring a few of these with me because I wear this every single day. So some days I'm just going to want to dress it up, or sometimes just make it casual. Or if I'm going out for a walk or working out in the gym, I want something that's going to possibly be able to handle that. So a couple of these straps are one of the things I do indulge myself in, but it changes an outfit without taking up much room. I always travel with scarves. They are a staple in my travel wardrobe because especially silk scarves fold up so tiny and they can become something that can transform your wardrobe. Anything from taking it to work, to casual, to dressing it up for a dinner at night, a scarf is always good to have. I always have one tucked into my purse, whether it's a waist pack or into my work bag. I always have scarves with me. And even a thin scarf, a silk scarf, can keep you a little warmer just by putting it around your neck. Also, they're very easy to take off and fold up. If you're at a woman of a certain age and you're starting to hot flash, they fold up like a dream and get out of your way. Outerwear is another thing to think about. So you'll have to look at your itinerary and look at your weather to see what it is you're going to bring. Now, I'm doing this for a winter capsule wardrobe, so I've decided to bring a puffer jacket. I like to bring a puffer jacket almost year round whenever I travel because you never just know where it's going to be that just gets chilly, and I am miserable when I'm cold. So I love this jacket because it's reversible. I can have two different jackets out of one and it packs down into this little footprint here. And I love that about this jacket. So this way I can keep warm on my trip and have a couple of different colors with me to take me through my trip. I always bring some sort of pair of pants that are something I can either work out in, take a walk in, but also be casual enough that if I wanted to go out for Friday night pizza with the team or go sightseeing during the weekend on my time off, they're very versatile. And I love, love, love these pants. And I love that they have this kind of windproof part on the front. So when I'm out in the winter, they're going to help keep me a little bit warmer, but they're stretchy. All four pockets are zipper pockets, so I love that. So I can keep room keys and keys, wallets and things secured into these pants and run around in them. So I always bring these pants with me when I'm traveling for work. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how I pull together a capsule wardrobe for work or when I'm traveling for any sort of occasion. This is how I pull things together. I hope you got some great hacks from that video. I'd like to know from you, comment below, what are some of your hacks that you use when you're packing a capsule wardrobe or a wardrobe where you need to be possibly at an event? Put those in the comments below. I'd like to know, and I think everyone in this community would like to know that as well. It's time to get back to work for me, so until the next time, juice life, drink the joy, keep life simple. Make sure you pack a capsule wardrobe when you're traveling. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.